2, personal year. After what should have been a year of opening new doors and starting new ventures, this is a year in which you can relax and wait for some of the results of last year's efforts to come in. At least some of them should be coming to fruition, depending upon the length of time the project requires. In any case, you will definitely see some rewards this year. This doesn't mean that you are to do nothing at all, but wait for results, but because you will be getting other offers as well. Some may be very unexpected, but nevertheless, you are due for a few surprises. Look into each offer, especially with an eye to overall benefit or those that offer a future benefit. This may be a year of promotion after all your efforts of the past year toward that end. Basically, a 2-year means one of cooperation and collaboration, so be willing to hand over the reins to someone else if need be, and give your full attention to cooperating with them instead of directing all phases of the operation. You had your turn last year. As an employer, you certainly wouldn't want to give up authority, of course, but do listen to those in your employ who feel they have some solutions to problems, or perhaps a new method that would be to your advantage. It could be that a partnership you instigate in your 1 year is now coming to pass, so it will be important for you to show this person how cooperative you can be. This can lead to a very successful career for both, providing you don't insist on running all matters pertaining to the business. Teamwork is the key word here. Your charm and magnetism will be heightened and will bring a host of new friends to your circle. If unmarried, this could include your mate-to-be. You will have to use your good intuitive sense in judging the character of these people. There may be an unsavory sort amongst them. You can do without such friendships, especially during a 2 cycle, because your cooperative nature at that time may lead you to participate in shady deals without your knowledge. You will have to be tactful with older people, and this may not be easy for you. Becoming exasperated would only serve to deepen the gulf between you, so it will be up to you to be as patient and diplomatic as possible. You will gain their respect and love, as well as a sense of well-being. If difficulties occur in your home or business that depress you greatly and seem insurmountable, take heart and go at them with patience and courage. Nothing is impossible when you set your mind to its solution. One is always forthcoming if you just look for it.